This is a brand new 2013 BMW X6. This crossover has an 8-speed automatic transmission, a 3.0-liter inline 6-cylinder engine, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, a twin turbocharged forced induction system, xDrive, and automatic collision notification. The following features are also included: a premium audio system, aluminum wheels, hill descent control, a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, high-intensity headlights, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, an anti-lock braking system, steering wheel memory settings, and the heated seats can warm you up in seconds, keeping you and your passengers comfortable the whole trip. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking vehicle.